Want to try a kicked up turkey burger for your next barbecue? Stay tuned. Summer is finally here and it is grilling season. So today we're going to be making a kicked up turkey burger. It's going to be a turkey burger. It's going to have a chimichurri mayonnaise with it, roasted poblano peppers, some avocado, tomato, lettuce. It's going to be a real great burger. So let's jump right in. First thing that we're going to do is make a chimichurri sauce. Very, very simple. I have over here chopped up cilantro, chopped up parsley, and chopped up fresh oregano. And that's going to be in the ingredients down below. We're just going to pour this all into a bowl. With some lime juice, red wine vinegar, some chopped up serrano peppers, spicy, yummy, chopped garlic, salt and pepper, and lastly, some olive oil. About a quarter cup we're going to use. As you can see, I'm measuring exact, as I always do. We're just going to mix this up. We might need a little bit more olive oil. Actually, we will need some more olive oil, because that's definitely a little bit dry. We're just going to give this a real good mix. For our chimichurri mayonnaise, we're just going to take, I'm going to guess about 3 tablespoons of this. We're going to have some left over, and I'm going to wind up making some steak with that later. Or, well, not today, but during the week. I'm just going to mix this up. Probably should have used a bigger bowl. For our actual turkey burgers, I have some ground turkey, I have some chopped scallions and some chopped garlic. And once again, I'll be putting the ingredients in the description down below. I have some lemon zest and some jalapeno. I'm going to add that. I have some salt, some pepper, and some ground coriander, some very finely diced red onion, and some chopped cilantro. So this is going to be packed with flavor. For our poblano peppers, I just sprinkled with salt, pepper, and a tiny bit of olive oil and tossed it very good. I'm going to get these going on the grill first. And for our turkey burgers, I formed them into patties and I just sprayed them with some cooking spray on top. I was just showing my cameraman David something, and he said it's a good thing to show your audience. If you notice when I push on this, it's very, very soft and a lot of liquid comes out. That means it's still dead raw inside and has more to cook. So if you're not using the thermometer, you can feel it. When it's done cooking, it'll be relatively hard. It won't be, you know, like if you feel it and it's like this, it's not done yet. So see you in a bit. I'm serving our turkey burger with a wild mushroom salad that I made a little bit earlier. And gonna try my burger, because I love burgers. Really, really, really good. The mayonnaise is absolutely delicious. A little bit spicy, but not too spicy. You taste the poblano, which is not spicy at all. There's lettuce, tomato, and avocado, so you get all that. Really, really great burger. This will actually rival any beef burger, believe it or not, but it's actually a lot healthier for you. And I didn't try the mushroom salad. I tried it earlier when I made it, but now it's actually marinated. Also, really, really, really good. This is a beautiful summer salad, different than coleslaw and potato salad that everyone makes. Has wild mushrooms, peppers, black olives, pine nuts, so also a really nice salad. And there will be a link to the description down below for that salad if you want to make that one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and please tell me what type of burgers you'd like to make. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.